Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This is my mum having her hair done in the salon. She's here every 4 weeks and we do a bleach regrowth, blonde life, Joico with 20 vol. We use Defy Damage and Pro Series 1, Pro Series 2, shampoo condition and then after styler. And then what we tone with is TPB, TBB, TSB and a little dash of CCV in there just to sort of just take away any remaining yellow, to be honest. But yeah, she's a staple 4-week client. She's naturally about level 5, so quite dark. That's why I get her in every 4 weeks, because I don't want to be going through the 5 or 6 week mark, because after 4 weeks, if you didn't know, hair keratinizes, and then what you get from that is you get little yellow banding, and that's where you can sort of tell if the hair hasn't lifted enough. And the reason for that is when hair keratinizes, it hardens off. So from that 4 week, that little bit of regrowth like that, it's completely soft. The hair will lift super quick. Anything over that and it keratinizes, it's just such a hard struggle to get through that barrier, but then also give a nice even result. So yeah, I always recommend 4 weeks, 5 weeks at a push, depending on hair growth time. But yeah, 4 weeks and you get perfect lift every single time. So yeah, this video I've done that. And then just her graduated bob. We do a mix of like a bevel, quite graduated, no graduation. Today's is just a bit of a soft bevel graduation, I suppose. She wanted it a little bit shorter, a little bit more tucked into the neck. Hair condition is bang on, to be honest. Really nice hair to work with. Although it is one of the hardest because there's a lot of curls, there's a lot of kinks. The bleach in there makes the hair seem thicker, and it is very thick hair as it is. So yeah, getting it nice and smooth, getting it where I want to sit is hard. But yeah, it's a challenge, and who doesn't love a challenge? So yeah, this is my mum getting her hair done. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. Give the video a thumbs up because it pushes us into the algorithm, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button because I'm going to be bringing you loads of these in salon, as you can already check out from previous videos, but also you can check out my studio stuff and my vlog stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we're we're on the road, we're on the road to hitting 100k this year. We've just gone through the 70k mark. If you can help me by subscribing, by sharing the video, by telling people, then subscribe.
Mm-hmm.